student's invention could literally save your life. And it all started with a hospital visit. Rayvon Stewart, the first in his family to attend college, was volunteering at a hospital when he had a brilliant idea. He invented the Zermisol, a self-disinfecting door handle that uses UV light to kill 99.9% of pathogens. This groundbreaking invention has already attracted over $200,000 in investments and won Jamaica's Prime Minister's National Youth Award. It's a game changer for hospitals, hotels, and businesses, and a testament to the power of a single idea to change the world. What other everyday objects could use a high-tech upgrade?